Did you know that sometimes our mothers leave us messages from beyond the grave? While cleaning out her mom's bedroom, she found something that stopped her cold, a beat-up copy of Maya Angelou's book with her mother's handwriting all over it. But this wasn't just any book. Her mom had highlighted every part about surviving family pain and staying strong through loss. In the margins, she wrote notes like, "For my daughter, when she needs proof she comes from unbreakable women." This girl had lost everything. Her dad at 12, then her mom, sister, brother, and even her dog, all within 2 years. She was drowning in grief, but her mother knew this day would come. She had secretly marked passages about turning pain into power, about how surviving becomes its own form of fighting back. Maya's words weren't just random wisdom, they were her mother's roadmap for healing, a deliberate connection to generations of Black women who survived the impossible. Her mom's final gift wasn't money or jewelry. It was proof that she came from a bloodline of survivors,